Hello! In this video, we will discuss why e-learning and online accessibility is important. We will also review best practices for creating accessible e-learning resources and web pages. Before we discuss how to make e-learning content accessible, we need to understand why accessibility matters in digital or web-based learning content. According to the CDC, 1 in 4, or 27% of adults in the United States have some type of disability. Though statistics vary across publications, the Center for Student Success Research estimates that about 20% of college students have disabilities as well. Disabilities can be visual, auditory, mobility-related, speech-related, or cognitive. E-learning tools can remove barriers to communication and interaction that many people face in the physical world, says the World Wide Web Consortium. For educators and instructional designers, it is necessary to design inclusive, accessible online content so that all users can equally perceive, understand, navigate, contribute to, and interact with it. So let's discuss some of the ways we can create accessible e-learning and web tools. We want to first keep in mind the 4 principles of the Web Content Accessibility Guideline, or the WCAG 2.0. Online content should follow the POUR principles. P for perceivable, meaning content is available to the senses of sight, hearing, and/or touch. O for operable, meaning all controls, navigation, and overall functionality are available for all users. U for understandable. All text content and information is readable and understandable by all users. And R for robust, meaning the content must be robust enough that it is compatible with any user application, including assistive technologies like screen readers. We can apply these principles in all e-learning content we create, not just in designing web pages. One effective best practice is to present content to learners in multiple ways. All non-text content should be paired with a text alternative. For example, pair audio with closed captions and text. Pair video with audio descriptions, transcripts of audio, and text captions. And provide alt text tags to images to clearly describe them. We can also ensure accessibility in our content by structuring and organizing it in a way that is screen reader friendly. Screen readers read the HTML markup of web-based content, not necessarily what is being displayed. To make web pages adaptable to accessibility software, we can do a few things. 1. Use header styles for titles, section headings, or major points. Just bolding or increasing text size won't be enough. 2. Use actual bulleted or numbered list styles, not manually created lists using hyphens or other characters. 3. Avoid highlighting important passages of text with colored highlighters or different colored fonts. Use bold for importance or italics for emphasis instead. We also need to think of accessibility in our visual design. So make sure, when colors are used, the colors chosen offer enough light and dark contrast between foreground and text or other objects. For example, black text on a white foreground or a yellow circle on a black foreground. Lastly, keep navigation simple, consistent, and appropriate for all users. Anytime keyboard shortcuts are an option, include them as a navigation option for non-mouse users. Be sure to provide instructions or tutorials for getting started with any learning content you create to reduce potential confusion and make the content easy to use for all learners. References and media credits for this video are listed here. Thank you for watching.